My name is Rachel Elkin. I'm in Math 2050, and this is my learning log. I'm not completely finished with it because this is midterm. And my cover page, to a title page. I'm not finished with my table of contents. I still have a lot of notes to take, but I've finished with everything else. This is week 1, Numeration Systems, part 1. And I made a tab. Babylonian, Mayan. There's another tab of Arabic, number systems, place value chart, positional numeration systems. This is still continuing for week 1. And my place value chart. And this is just another worksheet that I attached so I could see my work later on. Changing bases by factors, algorithms, representing numbers in different bases, base 5 relating to money. And this is week 2. Addition and properties of whole numbers. These are just some cutouts that I did from our worksheets. We're continuing the strategies and properties of whole numbers with addition. And these are some more cutouts that I did. Different properties: commutative property, associative, identity property. These are subtraction concepts of week 2. This is the addition using base 10 mats, subtraction. Addition in base 5, subtraction in base 5, other bases with addition and other bases with subtraction, and these are the cutouts for base 10 blocks. Adding and subtracting on an abacus. I didn't have room to put these over here on this one, so I just added them to this page. This is the abacus, base 4. And my notes. Base 10 abacus. Oh, there was one that I was going to glue but didn't get a chance to. Multiplication of whole numbers, week 3. It's got repeated addition model, number line model, bar model, array model, area model, and Cartesian product model. I highlight a lot. Continue models with numbers of properties for multiplication. Associative property for multiplication. Bar model and missing factor. These are just cutouts from the worksheets. with measurement and repeated subtractions. Now we're in division, partitioning and fair shares, missing factors, bar modeling, order of operations, week 3 and week 4, with addition and subtraction of algorithms, standard algorithm, concrete model, the lattice arithmetic. I cut out and glued it, showing examples. Left to right algorithm, scratch method, subtraction with algorithms is another worksheet that I cut out and glued. Mental mathematics with addition and the different types with adding from left, breaking up and bridging, trading off equal differences, compatible numbers, making compatible numbers. Drop the zeros, mental mathematics with subtraction, estimations of whole numbers, addition and subtraction. We're continuing estimations of whole numbers with addition and subtraction. Rounding rules. These are just a continue of rounding rules from the previous page. They start down here at the bottom. Partial products algorithm for multiplication was the worksheet I cut out and glued. This is in week 5. Continue algorithms of multiplication was another worksheet I cut out and glued. Continue algorithms of multiplication with division algorithms was the lattice multiplication, and then the division of algorithms worksheets. This is just continuing division algorithms, and with the long division and short division. Sorry, fresh glue. Multiplication, division, and other bases. And I just glued factor tree. I didn't want to put it over there because it was so small, it was just going to take up the whole page. Division and other bases. This is division by subtraction and standard algorithm. Mental mathematics and multiplication. Mental mathematics of division. Estimations of whole numbers, multiplication, division. The Russian peasant multiplication, and there's the worksheet. I just cut out so I could see. Week 6, factors and multiples of Cuisenaire rods. I'm pretty sure I did not pronounce that right. This is finding factors and multiples using the rods, and I attached the sheet with the color scheme that I colored from the worksheet. This was posted in week 6, and it was also posted in week 7, so I did not take notes for week 7 because I had already posted. This is week 6, factors and multiples with the rods, and finding the prime factorization of different numbers. So I used the chart, finished coloring and I made my own key to find twin primes. As you can see, I circled the blue for all the twin primes. Factors and multiples of week 6. Rectangular model. Divisibility rules. And I highlighted each one. Divisibility rules continues. Divisibility test, a family of unique numbers. As an example. Prime and composite and square. This is of week 7. I know this is not going to be for our midterm, but this is all the notes that I've taken this far. Continuing determining the number of whole numbers of divisors. Determining if a number is prime or composite. Categorizing natural numbers. And that's all my notes. I don't have anything in the back yet for websites because I haven't used any. And then the note to the teacher. That's it.